leveling a lawn. I'm just gonna use what I have and see what happens. Since the front of my yard looks so bad right now, I figure now is a great time to level out some of the spots and see what happens. Yep, it's the best way I know how to do it. So this is how it's gonna get done. I have no idea whether that's enough sand. I do have more, but I'm gonna go ahead and that's a whole bag of sand and a bag of the compost. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this.
This here is the problem area. Yeah, I probably could have done a better job of mixing the sand and the compost together. I think it's mixed well enough, and it's gonna work out just fine. I refused to buy a $100 leveling tool, and this broom seemed to work out just fine. Looking at the job at this point, I know I'm gonna have to do this at least one more time, maybe two. But I'm feeling good about this. I think this is progress. You can see here that I have quite a few more areas to address.
Now guys, this is just my first go at it here. I'm playing the long game. I'm not trying to get all of this done in one go, but I do want to start working on my tools and everything. They're just the bare minimum. There are lots of leveling shows out there on YouTube. If you want like the step-by-step and the tools that you need to buy and that type of thing. But this is how I'm doing it.
Everything seemed to be settling in pretty nicely. The best thing about this is that I didn't seem to be overexerting myself, and I could do this process another couple times with no problem.
So that's really the long and short of it. I'm gonna do it a little bit at a time over the spring, the first part of the spring anyway, and hopefully it levels out a little bit. Even a little bit I'm happy with. Honestly, I'll probably be spending most of my time this spring trying to figure out what's going on with that front part of my lawn. I think I'm going to actually take a soil sample today and send it off to see if there's something that I have to address specifically in that area. Otherwise, that is the leveling, and that's how I'm going to address it. That's the quick and dirty way to do it, or you can call it the lazy way. And if it works, who cares if it's the lazy way? It works. And if it doesn't work, like I said, there are plenty of other videos out there on YouTube that go through the process step by step, so you can check those out. Well, guys, that is it. That is all. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.